Batavia Giraffe Air. The Batavia Giraffe Air reimagines ladder functionality, combining extendability up to 3.81 meters with the convenience of collapsing to just 1 meter for storage. It features 12 sturdy rungs capable of supporting 150 kilograms and incorporates a tilt indicator to ensure the ladder is set at a safe angle. Priced at $219, the Giraffe Air distinguishes itself with its safety features, ease of use, and adaptability, offering a superior option for both professional and home use. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Dual Battery Backpack Blower Kit. Setting a benchmark for outdoor cleaning, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Dual Battery Backpack Blower delivers power comparable to a 60cc gas engine, with air speeds reaching 250 km per hour. Powered by up to 4 M18 batteries, it offers quick power-up and the flexibility to adjust battery usage based on the task. With a $1,500 price tag, including 4 12Ah batteries, this blower kit is an investment in high-quality, efficient landscaping and maintenance work, combining powerful performance with quiet operation. Anti-Asaltos by Pitbull. The Anti-Asaltos system by Pitbull offers a fresh perspective on security and traffic management, particularly for high-security zones such as airports and diplomatic buildings. Featuring prominently visible stripes and spikes, these steel barriers can extend up to 60 centimeters in mere seconds and are engineered to withstand harsh conditions. This quick-deploy security solution effectively prevents unauthorized vehicle access, marrying durability with functionality to enhance the safety and integrity of sensitive areas through an innovative approach to perimeter defense.